Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day, and this video is in collaboration with my amazing YouTube friend. Her channel name is Tasty City. Guys, please, after watching my video, make sure you head over to her channel to go and show her some love. And if you are coming from her channel, hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much and I really appreciate. So guys, if you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. To start off my day, I'm going to be drinking this lemon green tea. Guys, this tea has really been helping me to flush down my system. After drinking it, I will be peeing a lot. Like, I love how it feels in my body after drinking it. So I'm going to be drinking this. I brewed it with some hot water and I let it to cool down. Then I started drinking it. Now, after about some minutes, I went to my freezer to bring out the soup I'm going to be having for lunch. Here, I'm going to be bringing out two different types of soups. I have here with me vegetable soup. I also have some okra mixed with ogbono soup, and the other one in the white container is oha soup, which I also have a recipe on my channel. If you want, you can check it out. I'm going to be leaving some links in the description box, so please go to the description box. You might find whatever you need there. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring some water in a bowl, and this water is going to help the soup to defrost quickly. Now for my breakfast, I'm going to be having some cereal. Now I'm boiling some water. I love to have my cereal with some boiled milk. Did I say water? Sorry guys, that was milk, not water, obviously. So I love to have it with some boiled milk. Some people like to have it with some cold milk. Like, I can't even stand cold milk. So this is the type of cereal I'm going to be using. I love to combine these both together. I love the texture in my mouth and how delicious it tastes, guys. These two combination is so good. Now, some days are different. There are some mornings I wake up and I feel like eating jollof rice, fried rice, yam, eba, like basically anything I feel like eating. But on this particular day, this is what I was craving. And now for my lunch, I'm going to be making some egg stew. Here are all my ingredients. I have yam. This is yam. I have some eggs. I have red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, 2 fresh tomatoes. I have 1 onion, and I have this tin tomato. It's basically fresh tomato that has been blended and then they added it into a can. I have my tuna and my seasoning cube, and then I have my red palm oil. Now, if you want to be trying this recipe and you don't have palm oil, you can use vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. Now I'm peeling my yam and cutting them into a reasonable sizes, as you can see here. Okay, for this now, I'm not going to be eating this. I'm making this for my family. You will see what I'll be having for lunch later. So as you can see, I'm cutting the yam and putting it in a bowl of water. That way the yam will not turn dark. And here is the leftover. I'm probably going to be making some beans porridge with the leftover yam. Now I just added some water in the pot added some salt, and I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook until it's soft enough. Now in another pot, I'm going to be pouring in some of the palm oil. I have another recipe on how to make this egg sauce, but I'm still going to be explaining this one in case you want to try this particular one. So once the oil heats up, I added my sliced onion, the peppers and the fresh tomatoes, and as you can see, I sliced them very tiny. Then I poured in the tin tomato, and then I added my knorr cube. I added some salt. Now while that is still cooking, I went ahead to crack in 4 eggs in a bowl, and I'm just mixing it together. Now back to the pot after about almost 10 minutes of cooking. It's not up to 10 minutes though, but yeah, I went ahead to add my tuna. As you can see over there, my yam is still boiling so nicely. So now I just poured in the eggs, and I'm going to mix it just a bit, cover it for like 2 minutes, and it's done. So back to my yam, it's properly cooked now. As you can see, I'm going to be draining the water and then set the yam aside. So back to my pot. As you can see now, the egg sauce is done, and guys, trust me, this was so good. It was so delicious. Maybe you can try it. If you think I'm lying, go and try it and testify. So this, I'm dishing this out for my husband. I'm not going to be having it, but I'm going to be tasting it because I need to be sure of what I'm giving to him and also to taste it for you guys, you know. Yeah, so guys, please make sure you try this egg sauce. It was so delicious. It's very easy, simple, and so delicious. So here is my husband eating the egg sauce and the yam, and he really loved it. Like, he was thanking me, seriously. So while he was eating his yam and egg sauce, I went to boil my water for my eba, and here I'm dishing out the quantity of soup I'll be needing for my eba. Just, you know, enough soup, and then I'm going to be warming it up in the microwave. So as you can see now, my water has started boiling, and it's time to make the eba. And to tell you guys, all these things I'm making here, I did not go to market just for this video. You know, I'm making use of what I have in the house. Like, if you have any foodstuffs at home, you can use it to actually prepare something. You don't have to break the bank to put food on your table or to make food for your family. Just make do with whatever you have. So here is my eba and the okra with ogbono soup. As you can see, the soup is like much. I love soup like this, like and the eba is small. So I just showed you my hand just to, you know, let you know that I just washed my hands and dive in. Like, guys, I was so craving for this soup. You can imagine, I made egg sauce, I left it, and I'm eating eba. That is how delicious this soup was. It was so good. I also have a recipe on how to make this soup in case if you want to try it out. Please come and join me before some people will come and be like, oh sis, you finished everything, you did not even invite me. I'm inviting you now. Oh, please come and join me. And as you can see, I'm washing it down with my lemon green tea. You guys can see that I've not been drinking water here, but trust me, I've been drinking water, but I did it off camera. Yeah, I drank water, so make sure you drink water as well. Now for my dinner, I'm going to be having fruits. Basically fruits. Yes, some nights I like to eat anything that I want to eat. I can even eat eba, rice, in fact anything at all. But this day I chose to go with fruits. Sometimes I eat something light, sometimes I eat something a bit heavy. Provided that thing is healthy and good for my health, I go with it. So anything you feel like eating, eat it, but eat in moderation. That's my own advice. Eat in moderation. So guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to go and check Tasty City's channel out. She's awesome. Bye guys.